Jim Kunkle here, and welcome to another short episode of Digital Revolution Ruminations. In this episode, we're going to discover if artificial intelligence is coming for your job. It seems that out of nowhere, artificial intelligence has become the next big thing. As AI is expected to radically change the world, especially the labor market, a recent Goldman Sachs study concluded that AI's ascendance could disrupt up to 300 million jobs. However, proponents of automation claim that new and better jobs will be created and AI will make workers' lives much easier. As tech companies are in cost cutting mode, AI could displace professionals that were once highly sought after and highly compensated, like software engineers. Tech jobs, including coders, computer programmers, and data analysts, may be in jeopardy as technologies like OpenAI's ChatGPT can do as good of a job or better of coding faster than people. AI powered chatbots are already used to answer customer service questions and make sales calls. As AI technology improves, telemarketing and human customer service jobs will likely be completely automated. Data entry clerks will not be needed, as AI software will more efficiently extract data and add to spreadsheets and other documents. Jobs that entail interpreting large volumes of information and simplifying it for publication or briefings, like journalists or paralegals, will be vulnerable to automation. AI could also replace creatives like screenwriters, photographers, graphic designers, artists, advertisers, and content creators. In the not too distant future, self driving automobiles and trucks will displace human drivers. In warehouses, fulfillment centers, and factories, many people who pack, lift, carry, and load goods into trucks will no longer be needed. It's only a matter of time until the tech dispenses with tradespeople who will be laid off from their welding, painting, and assembly line jobs. This is a significant concern for blue collar and frontline workers. The new economy will require AI professionals to train AI models on large data sheets. These people will need in-depth knowledge of AI and data science. To ensure that machine learning doesn't spin out of control, companies will look to employ AI ethics, who are responsible for ensuring that AI is used responsibly and ethically. Attorneys will start specializing in legal matters regarding AI. If digital transformation is something that interests you, please consider subscribing to the Digital Revolution channel. All you need to do is scan the QR code on this video. Okay, I'll be posting short Digital Revolution Ruminations weekly. I greatly appreciate your support, and please like and share this video with your connections who might get value out of what I just said on this video.